So welcome to Maths with Ish. Now, sometimes when you are given a quadratic expression and you are asked to factorize, it's very important you actually observe those quadratic expressions and see if they are perfect squares. Now, let's look at this. If you check this last term here, this is a perfect square, right? 49 is a perfect square because 7 times 7 gives you 49. Okay, so all you have to do is, okay, since 49 is a perfect square, the square root of 49 is 7. Now, if you multiply 7 by 2, if you multiply that 7 by 2, that gives us 14, and that is this middle term, okay? Now, you check this, let's check the second one. This is a perfect square, so the square root of 64 is 8. If you times 8 by 2, that gives you 16. Can you see that? If you check the square root of 121 is 11. So 11 is a perfect square. 11 times 2, that gives you what? 22. Now, if you're able to observe this kind of trend, it simply means what it tells you that these quadratic expressions are perfect square. And to factorize perfect squares becomes very simple, or they are very easy. All you have to do, since we have realized that it has fulfilled these two conditions, the square root of the third term, when you multiply it by 2, gives you the coefficient of the second term, irrespective of the sign. All we have to do now is to factorize it this way. So just watch. What I'm going to do is that I'm going to take the square root of this first term, which is x. Are you seeing that? Then I take the square root of the last term, which we know as 7, and then this sign, the middle sign, is what I'm going to put, and then I group them together. So that is the shorter way of factorizing things like that. Perfect square like this, okay? So let's do the second one. Square root of this first term is x. Square root of this last term is 8. Or the sign of the middle term plus, you group them together. We are done. Square root of this first term, t. Square root of this last term, 11. The sign at the middle is minus, we group it. Square root of this first term is q. Square root of this last term is 13. The middle sign here is plus. You group them together. So this is a very short way of factorizing quadratic expressions that are in this form, that follows this pattern. I hope you gained value. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.